Hello, I'm Richard. I'm co-founder of the Shed Restaurant in Notting Hill, where we are today. We do farm-to-table food with our own vineyard. The Shed was our first restaurant and still very much my favourite place to be. It's vibrant, it's exciting, the cooking is always changing with the seasons, and up until very recently packed. COVID came as a shock to us all, and now we're beginning to explore what can happen post-COVID, how we can get that feel of intimacy in a dining room, that special relationship between the waiter and the guest having dinner, and PPE becomes a barrier. What we need to explore is how we can get around that. I felt from the very beginning that masks are an added barrier. But a visor, you can still see the waiter smile. The chef can still call out to one another without overheating under a hot stove. Visors are certainly the route that we're taking for the foreseeable future, and hopefully our staff will feel secure and our guests will appreciate the care that they're taking, but everybody will still be able to enjoy facial expressions and communication without too much disruption.